Welcome to another video. Hope everyone's doing alright and that. This time, another air fryer video and a bit of a product review. We're going to be having a look at these things. Maggi air fryer spice kits. Fantastic. I spotted them in Iceland the other day and they caught my attention because Monday to Friday I tend to eat the same thing all the time. Chicken, broccoli and rice. And I'm always trying to spice it up a little bit, make it a bit different and that. Fantastic. I reckon there's only a couple of ingredients in each one and that. And they take about 15 minutes to make. So fantastic. Grab a cuppa, put your feet up. I'm going to play me jingle and get myself set up properly. And yeah, let's see if these are any good. Right, Maggi air fryer kits, are they any good? We're about to find out, but I've been out and I've gathered all the ingredients I need and that. Fantastic, there's only a couple, but we'll go through them as we'll go through the dishes. But we're going to start with the piri-piri. We'll do that in real time. We'll do little hyperlapses for these two. Fantastic. Let's get stuck into this one. We're going to be starting with the piri-piri. Fantastic, I've read the instructions. I'll put them up on the screen and that so you can see the nutritional information and stuff like that. Fantastic. But basically, all it says is chuck 600 grams of chicken thighs, boned ones, into a bowl. Give it a couple of squirts of oil and give it a rub in. It's going to be a bit messy on the old hands this like, but it says a tablespoon. Now work this out, it's about 4 sprays of this, 4 or 5 sprays of that. Fantastic. So we'll give that a rub in. It says you've got to preheat your air fryer to 190. So I've already done that. I've had it on for 3 or 4 minutes and that. And you just got to chuck this stuff in. I tell you what, these will be fantastic. You know, if you're not too sure with spices and that, these are great. I don't usually use them myself because I'm alright with spice like, but if they turn out to be nice, fantastic. And if you want to know how to make it, use it once, then just go through the ingredients. The ones at the beginning are usually the ones that the most in. You just go through them, fantastic. You'll easily work that out, easy. But we're going to give this a good mix up. Get it in everything. Just going to make sure I get all the dust up and that. Might as well, we're paid for it, so it's fantastic, man. Then it's just a case of whacking it in the air fryer. I'm trying to keep one hand clean and one hand dirty and that. Fantastic. We're going to whack it in here and it says 15 to 18 minutes. Fantastic. So while this one's cooking, I'm going to go into a little hyperlapse with the other two, get them prepped up. I've got my oven warmed up slightly just to keep them warm, and we'll bring it all together at the end. We'll give them a good old taste and that. But I tell you what, it smells fantastic. Right, 18 minutes, right, 15 to 18 minutes I reckon, so we'll come back then and we'll find out what they're like. Fajita one, it's just clicked off. I've been mixing the fajita one, so simple, you see that? Onions, peppers, and the chicken and the seasoning. Fantastic, it's been sitting about 10 minutes. But let's pull this out and have a look. Wait, look at that. That looks absolutely fantastic. Right, we'll get rid of that. And we'll bring this in here. Look at that. Check that out, man. Fantastic. Might look a bit dark because it's in the air fryer. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to check its temperature with my probe. Just to make sure it's cooked in the middle. Fantastic. There it's shooting up over 80 and that. Fantastic. That'll do for me. I'm going to take them in this bowl and I'm just going to put them in the oven just to keep it warm and that. And we're going to do the same routine again. I'm going to wash the air fryer out, put the chicken fajitas in, prep the shawarma, and fantastic, we'll bring it all together at the end and we'll have a good old taste. Because I tell you what, that looks lush, lush. That's number 2 done, the chicken fajitas, look at them. Don't they look nice? Fantastic, we're going to bring this dish in. I've checked the temperature. They're good, they're good. We're just going to tip them in here. Hey, I've lost the inside in the air fryer. Does not make a messy air fryer these things like, but I'll tell you what. That looks quite nice, quite nice. It's going to make a little bit of room in the middle. These are going to go back in the oven. Next time you see us, we'll be having a taste test. Fantastic, I can't wait. I've got so much chicken to eat, it's unbelievable. There you have it. Maggi's air fryer spice kits. Fantastic. They look fantastic. They smell great. But it's all in the taste. So I've set myself a couple of little plates up. We'll take a couple out of each. Look at the tikka. The tikka looks lovely in there. Absolutely fantastic. So we'll have a go at that one. And these shashwamis, I've never had a shashwama before. If I let you in a little secret, I had to Google what one was, but luckily it goes in a wrap, so we're fantastic. So we'll get some of that in here, a few of the peppers and that. But I tell you what, for a quick easy meal, because these were literally 15 minutes each, fantastic. So we'll wrap that one up. I've got a knife somewhere, we can give it a good chopping off. I haven't gone for the crimp bit today, because I still find it a bit of a pain in the backside, to be honest with you. Like, I'm not a big crimpet fan. Right, and the last one, the fajitas. Look at these, lush. They've got the caramelized onions in that, and the peppers. Hey, I tell you what, fantastic, fantastic. Bit more in, I think. I'll tell you what, it's going to take us a while to get through this lot. Like, absolutely it is. I might have to invite someone for tea. But we'll give this a wrap up. And we'll just get set up and taste it. Fantastic. I think I'm going to start with the shashwama, because I've never had one before. But fantastic. I tell you what, fresh chicken, few spices, 1 or 2 veg. It's amazing what you can make. Tell you what, I'll be having them again, shashwamas. Fantastic. We'll have a go at the chicken fajita. A bit more familiar with these, so I know what a good one tastes like. Fantastic. Lush, absolutely lush. Tell you what, I'm going to be stuffed after all this, not like. And the chicken tikka, this is one I would probably make more regular, because I can have it with the rice and that. Lovely, lovely man. Let's have a go at this. Another absolute cracker. Another absolute cracker. Fantastic. Would I recommend these? Yeah, absolutely I would. If you haven't got time like me on a night time and that, you want to get out and do stuff, have a go, man. £2 for 3 from Iceland. Lush. Fajitas, piri piri, shawarma for the first time. Fantastic. So yeah, I hope you liked the video and that. If you did, hit like, hit subscribe. I do my videos in my own little way. Sometimes they're a bit all jumbled up, but we'll get there somehow. But yeah, fantastic. Have a great week. I'll see you on the next one. If you want to see us doing other things outside the kitchen, go over to Joe Does This and That. There's a link in the description. I've just bought myself a drone, so we're going to have some fun with that. Fantastic. What can go wrong with that? What can go wrong with that? But anyway, have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next time. See you later.